32-year-old Timileyin Ajayi, the suspect for the murder of his alleged girlfriend, Salome Ajayi'S, is brought to the headquarters of the Nasarawa State Police Command. He is paraded alongside the weapons he allegedly used to commit the crime. Timi was nabbed Sunday, January 12, while allegedly trying to dispose the remains of Salome in Karshi Development Area of Karo Local Government Area of the state. Salome is a 24-year-old member of the Nigeria Youth Service Corps 7 in the nation's capital, Abuja, before the ill-fated incident. Frail from injuries sustained during a mob action, Timileyin, who claims to be a cryptocurrency trader, confesses to the crime.
It's not something I really planned on. Something that it happened on that day, and it happened. Not like I had a plan in mind.
What did you see in the phone that made you very angry?
Most of the chat with the other guys. That's what I saw on the phone.
So that was when you decided to kill her?
Yes.
Do you have any regrets?
I don't have any regrets.
Okay, you don't regret killing her?
I don't.
Salome's family denies knowledge of any relationship between the deceased and the suspect.
I just need to know why he murdered my sister, and I need justice to just be served. That is all that I need. Because any other thing that will happen will not bring my sister back to life. That I have come to terms with. But I just